Have you been trying to figure out how to do TikTok? How to create a TikTok e-commerce store and make millions of dollars on TikTok? Maybe you're already selling on Amazon. Well, what I've done is I've recruited the #1 coach of TikTok in all of China, Kan Chan, and he's here to teach us exactly what sellers in China are doing to make millions of dollars on TikTok. And then I've combined that with what we're doing on Amazon because the two go hand in hand so well. People shopping on TikTok buy things on Amazon and they look for your Amazon brands. So pay attention to what Kan has to say here because he's gonna teach you how to make a lot of money on TikTok.
TikTok is trying everything to get people in, and because it's already a platform for e-commerce, for content, for entertainment, it already has a lot of existing customers, and you can see a lot of early success for some brands. So this is the big background why we should take advantage, because the data is very good. And actually, you don't just have to do TikTok shop as a business model. There are already different business model now in TikTok. Let's see some other models, how they can leverage TikTok. Like this brand is from the US. I think some of you already know this brand. And they share that this is snack brand. So snack is especially for young people, right? The owner of this brand shares that when they use TikTok as their platform for traffic and for content posting, the sales there increased like 4x to 5x. So this is how they leverage the traffic here. You see, this is the screenshot I think I made a few months ago, and there are already 2 million likes in these accounts. This one, the clean girl. I think in YouTube we have Mr. Beast, right? You know about Mr. Beast. And in TikTok, this handle, the clean girl, may become another Mr. Beast. Do you know Mr. Beast is famous YouTuber with more than 300 million subscribers in YouTube. This clean girl in TikTok, which is also very viral. It has huge potential. You can see the data of the videos like this one, 42 million, 36 million. It's crazy, right? So the viewers will follow this video and click the website in the bio. And you know, this is a brand site that's selling foaming cleaner. And you know, at the beginning of the content owner promoted through these videos, the brand site is not even ready yet. The owner built this TikTok account first, and now it become a viral account. They don't even have to sell the original products. So if it has sense to make video content to do creative, TikTok is a very good channel to create awareness and just make money. You know Chinese feng shui, right? This one is they build a lot of content about feng shui. So they can sell the expertise of feng shui consultants and also sell some feng shui products, and it link to the website of its service and products. So you sell products and at the same time you sell service if you build the contents here. And especially for some product related to personal hobby, TikTok is so good. Just like this same example, like cosplay apparels. I can see a good conversion rate through TikTok. Some cosplay brands, you know, they don't even have a TikTok shop, or sometimes they don't even have a website. They just have some like Facebook, like this account, and then they use WhatsApp or something to finish the purchase. You can find a few new TikTok shop account like this. Some of them, their videos went viral very quickly. You know, in TikTok, you open a new window to attract people with the same hobbies. TikTok's algorithm is to match content with people that share the same interest. If people like certain topics, they will keep receiving contents of these topics. This is what the algorithm drives. You can run ads to touch more people alike. This app functions like Meta. So this is why some sellers reach their target audience easily when they're going big. The algorithm can matching your content with your potential consumers, and not just B2C. Now it happens in B2B as well. I can see now some Chinese manufacturers, they are using TikTok to promote their products and service. You see, this is a TikTok account of a Chinese manufacturer. Before, many Chinese manufacturers just promote their products through Alibaba.com. Yeah, I think you visit Alibaba.com, right? And sometimes they promote through Google. Now, some of the factories, they promote through TikTok. Do you notice, like this screenshot, 27,000 likes. They can reach to their direct customer and show their factory in a more vivid way. Yeah, and in this way, building trust is becoming easier. And maybe, as a buyer, if you want to find your specific supplier, now you can also try TikTok. Alibaba is not the only option. You can search some of your keywords on TikTok and find your potential suppliers there. You may get some amazing results. And I want to show you one example. This is interesting.
What's up, dude? I'm Tony. This is a tempered glass panel. It can withstand 3 dudes standing on it. Do you believe it? Watch me. Less than 1 centimeter thick, but very strong, dude. It looks good hanging in the store too. Changing the poster is also very easy, and I can't find any shortcoming with it. Check it out in our bio for more sizes. No MOQ, dude, and follow LC sign. Привет, homie. I'm Tony. Want to customize this sign, but worry about the price. Come and take a look at LC sign. We are a Swiss factory. Shipping from here directly. Factory direct price. To better serve everyone, we can provide renderings when we give the quote to you, letting you feel the luminous effect of the product more obviously. Focusing on sign manufacturing for 14 years, professional teams, and real source factories. What are you waiting for? This is LC Sign. Follow us and let us be your business partner in China. And remember to follow LC Sign. Hey, Crackbot here, and I've got something that will make your business shine. LC Sign's LED light box, a real deal. Giggity. Indoor, outdoor. They've got you covered. Custom shapes, size, and designs, absolutely. Plus, they come with all the installation goodies, including Meanwhile power supplies. Order now and get them in just 7 days by DHL or FedEx shipping. Click the link and let's light it up. Giggity, giggity, go. And follow LC Sign.
Yeah.
Incredible. Absolutely hilarious. I'm out here. I'm crying. It's so funny. This guy is amazing.
Yeah. This is a new way people can promote their product or service to anywhere in the world. Put it in a creative, funny video. And one more tips. You see the handles here? You see the handles here? Actually, they're different. I'll cover this later. This is what we call an account matrix or content matrix. To use multiple accounts to build a matrix to maximize your content exposure. This strategy now is used by many sellers, and in TikTok Shop, each business license can open up to 5 accounts, so you can do more than you can with your Amazon accounts. I mean, this guy, they're not running a TikTok Shop; they're just running a TikTok account matrix. Yeah, I'll cover it later, but I just want to show you more about to make you get more inspired for different kinds of accounts.
If you're blown away by what you're seeing like I was, you are going to love the entire 4 days of masterclasses. This is the playbook on how you can have success on TikTok and Amazon and put the two together. So make sure you sign up for the entire 4-day masterclass replay right now and go get access to it. This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to learn and do, and it's waiting for you.
Yeah, you see the screenshot here? This is a screenshot from creators. So who do you think earned the most money on average in the TikTok Shop ecosystem? Yes, the creators. The creators, they are average earning like 20%. Sellers are offering commissions to creators in TikTok Shop when they promote the products. So they get commission from sellers. And now, averagely, they can earn like 20% of the total sales from the sellers. So I can see a lot of creators that's showing off. how much they earn just one day or just 1 month, yeah, from their TikTok shop sales. They can make easy money, and it's loud, yeah, because now about like 60 to 70% of the total sales of TikTok shop actually are attributed to creators. So even if you don't want to do the shop, be the creator, because now creators make most money. So we see some new business related to creators. This is from a Chinese company. It used to be TikTok in China is called Douyin. It's a Chinese version of TikTok. Douyin made a lot of money in China because of as I mentioned, the video e-commerce and the live e-commerce in China is so popular. So Douyin and service provider in the Douyin system made a lot of money. Now such a Douyin agency is trying to reach outside. They connected with a lot of TikTok creators, and they run some agency called TSP, TAP. Yeah, so because creators earn most money in the TikTok ecosystem. So if you are running agency, actually you can also earn the money, especially when most of you like are in just in the United States. You have the advantage to get connected with these creators. And this is for live. This is not for live shopping, but yeah, this girl used live to make a lot of money, like thousands per show. So let's see how he just used a prank to get money, right? To make money.
Wait, what were we talking about? Okay, I'm a new hire. Where does Lexington KY? Where's KY? No, I was gonna say Colorado. He used to work there, got his number on the way out. Kentucky, that's where it is. You guys are smart. I almost said Colorado. Damn. Okay. And I'm saying I'm a new hire. Okay.
Yeah, this is a live prank call. Yeah, she do it live and get paid for it. And yeah, one show or one night. Yeah, because you say one call, she can get like $5 to $10, and can make thousands.
Oh
yeah, I'll
my
pass
gosh.
this one, but yeah, this is for. So I think if you have some creative ideas, especially it can trigger some common actions on live.
So could she combine this also with like maybe like some kind of shop as well? So she has in her shop the ability can you buy the prank call, the $5 prank call on in her shop? Is that how you do it?
This is not a shop. This you can send.
This is just content.
Yeah, this is content. Yeah, this is not a shop. Yeah.
Okay.
Currently in a TikTok shop, you cannot sell service. Yeah, maybe.
Oh, you cannot sell service. Okay.
Yeah, you can sell it.
But if she wanted to add products here and then go live with the TikTok shop attached to it, she could do that too. And then people that randomly buy those products while she's doing this, she would make money, right?
Yes, she can actually also add a link here. Yeah. Then people purchase from the link, she can get a commission.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Yeah, I'll go through. So I want to give a big picture to all of you if you are doing a TikTok shop. Yeah, if you want to do a TikTok shop, this is a this is for TikTok shop sellers official account. In this official account, you can see this is the shop. When you click here, you can go to the shop to purchase product. This is the key image and handle name, and the shop also here. And you can see it's running a live event, a live show already on live. And in this official account, you can see a lot of content actually created from the cooperative creators, and they also have their in-house content. So this is if you are running a TikTok shop and you're already running your official account, this is what it should be. Yeah, you have shopping. Yeah, also have the customer service email. This is the account that maybe in 2 or 3 months, yeah, your target is here. And this is another big picture of the sales. This is from a brand called Tati Cosmetics. It's doing $15 million last month in November. So it's a big month for this brand, right? The sales are pretty good. You can see what the revenue is consistent of. like 80% is from affiliates. So the percentage is even higher, already 80% from the affiliates. And then 4% from its self-operated account. This self-operated account, including its official account here, and like 30% from video, 70% from live streaming. So this is its own self-operated accounts. And about 15% from its shopping mall. Shopping mall means the TikTok shop that just like our Amazon shops. People just search, or they see the promotion event, or they occasionally see the shop and purchase product there. This is how, if you have a big picture of a store, this is how the sales could be consisted of. Like in this case, like 85% totally from creators, 80% from affiliate, 5% from its own account, and then 50% from shopping mall. And you can see here, this is the Black Friday. Just like Amazon, in Black Friday, the sales could be crazy, and in like just 1 or 2 days, the sales could reach like $2 million US. So this brand is doing really good. And for some setup brands, for example, if you already establish your brand in Amazon, it's also good to move it from Amazon to copy it from Amazon to TikTok. This is from a toy brand here. The owner mentioned that like the traffic, almost all of them are organics. 98% from search, 2% affiliates, and it gets start shop very quickly. In TikTok, if you reach certain standard, like your ratings, your performance, your shippings, you reach a certain standard, you can get a badge called Star Shop. I can send you a document how you can become a Star Shop. But yeah, if you already set up a brand in Amazon, it's a very good opportunity to copy it to TikTok because it get traffic very easily. And you know, as a DTC brand of next generation, your target is like you have 1,000 influencers or creators posting for you every month. If you have this 1,000 influencers posting for you every month, you know, either through TikTok shop or through Amazon or your brand site, you can get so much traffic and you can get your endorsement. Then you really become a real brand. In TikTok shop, we just have a place for you to get the content, for you to get these creators, and they're also a shop for people to purchase there, to finish their purchasing. So this is good. And even we always say that TikTok could be banned, but you know, even you don't have the shop, if you can leverage how these creators how you can convince these creators to post content for you. Even this content are in Instagram or in YouTube or in other social media platform, that still work for you because we are always in the e-commerce side, right? And we don't have to rely on one single channel. The risk could be much smaller.